and I'm big into budgets. And so I like to go, okay, well, where do you want your monthly payment? Like, what's that look like? Okay, well, that's going to be this purchase price. It looks like I can take that pre-approval a lot higher, but that monthly payment's going to go way higher. So what does that look like? So that's kind of how I take the conversation, is focused kind of on their budget, and I try to see and ask questions to determine if they've even had budget conversations,
Yeah.
if they even know where they want their monthly payment, or at least where is their current rent, and where what monthly payment's just too high. And I let that tell me, because then before I even tell them the pre-approval, I already know like they're gonna feel pain if we go this high. And the last thing I want, and I know Aaron's the same, which is
Yeah.
why I love working with Aaron and his team. But the last thing we want is people to regret
Well,
buying a house. It's not what we want. And I know for me on the numbers side, I think it's my responsibility to have the proper conversations and ask the right questions to get people thinking and understanding, like, okay, I probably do need to stay here with my budget.